Despite the fact that the San Francisco 49ers was in the game against Baltimore well into the fourth quarter, there were a lot of issues that the Ravens exposed during a lopsided victory. Despite the fact that the referees practically gave the Ravens a 10-point advantage due to ticky-tack calls, the 49ers did not play well enough to win a game. It is the NFL. Rarely do teams go through all 16 games of the schedule without struggling during games in the season. You can also add the fact that the 49ers had to travel to Baltimore on a short week of rest. After playing Sunday against Arizona, they had to fly to Baltimore on Thursday. Each week, 49ers won, but this week they lost. Enough with the excuses, and on to the issue that the San Francisco 49ers had for the duration of their 16-6 loss to the Baltimore Ravens. The 49ers need to work on their offensive line and protect their quarterback, Alex Smith.